This is going to be a very quick video with a very intense point that I want to share with you. I'm going to start it off like this. You see this giant wick for XRP here? Well, I want you to note that it's present not just on the XRP chart, but it's on Crow's chart. I think Dogecoin kind of had it, not as bad as some of the others. No, Dogecoin didn't really have it. Ethereum kind of didn't really have a giant wick like that. There's certain altcoins that had this giant wick on this giant October 6th, $20 billion liquidation crash that is basically predestined the price level that XRP is going to. In this video, I want to talk about why XRP will go back down to $1.39. Same reason Crow Coin's going to 6.8 cents, in my opinion. And it all lines up with the fact that I believe that Bitcoin's coming back down to 75K. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give financial advice. And I am bullish on crypto. I'm longing Bitcoin right now, and that trade is currently in the profit. And guess what? Now I'm going to move my stop loss up into the green so I can only win on this trade. I have a little bit of fees. I'm going to lose $10 if this gets stopped out in the green. I like to trade the market, whether it's to the upside or the downside. You want to trade this market as well, whether you want a long XRP, short XRP, long Bitcoin, short Bitcoin. You get access to our private Discord by signing up for this link down below, but you'll also get to trade on Blofin, which is the exchange that we use to do some trading. I am looking for a major short position on XRP, and I do believe that XRP will follow through and fulfill this wick. There's an old saying in the crypto space, that which wicks must candle stick. Okay, and so this is a wick. You can see this is not a filled in body candle, right? But this is a wick, and it came all the way down to $1.40. I believe we're in a bear market. Yes, I'm longing Bitcoin right now because I think we're finding a little bit of support, as I kind of have drawn out on this little drawing I had. A little bit of support here, a little bit of a dead cat bounce, and then boom, bear market. I think Bitcoin's coming down to 73, 75K. I think we're in a bear market. And I think it all started on these wicks, right? This day when $20 billion worth of liquidations happened, basically signaled the top of the bull market, and we really have had only weakness pretty much entirely since then. Oh, well, Bitcoin's really rallied up since 80,000. Yeah, it's a dead cat bounce. We've seen it in every bull market ending, right? Let's just zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the weekly timeframes. Let's just show you guys this thing that I've showed once or twice before. And let me go ahead and get this so I stop drawing these random lines. Zooming in on Bitcoin, you'll see these dead cat bounces that play out. See this little shape right here? It's this sort of like double top, and I'm just going to drag it, this little double top thing. There's a little M, and then a little dead cat bounce, and it just fits very nicely, very simply right there. A little bit different, very, very similar, though. Look at this. It lines up very well, guys. I think this is a dead cat bounce. I think that you will see Bitcoin at least revisit 73, 74K. And if that all happens, I know everybody thinks like, well, XRP is different. XRP is different. No, it's all crypto, guys. If Bitcoin goes down, XRP is coming down. That's just the way it works. Nothing's changed like that yet. Just the history of this asset class is something that we need to stop arguing with. Market cap matters. XRP is going to follow the tide that is Bitcoin, and XRP is probably going to fill in this wick. So you better be prepared for it. And there's a potential stopping point for XRP there, right? Because look at the wick. See where it comes down to. Let me just draw the trend line right there. Boom. Horizontal trend. Look at this. Oh, it lines up perfectly with this daily candle close over here. A perfect level, a logical level. Maybe that's our bear market low. However, I actually think XRP can go even lower. And I know people are going to be upset about that, but listen, just subscribe to the channel. Just pay attention to that prediction. If it comes true, maybe you'll give me a second thought on this when we go into that bear market as I see it. I know people want bullish content creators. I get it. You only want up-only content. I'm not going to do it. I refuse to do up-only content because it's not real. Nothing goes up-only. That's why I trade this stuff, because in a bear market, if prices are coming down, it's going to be really hard to make money by buying and holding things. In fact, you're just going to lose in a bear market. The only way to win in a bear market is to either wait for the low, buy it until we get to a high. And some people think we're about to go to that high now. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give financial advice. But the only other way I can think to make money in this market is to short this stuff, right? So I'm looking for a short position on XRP. I'm waiting for this bounce to play out for Bitcoin. Again, That's why I'm longing Bitcoin right now. I think we're finding a bounce. It's very nice to see a little bit of a bounce here. I think it's the dead cat bounce that we've all been waiting for in the crypto market. Well, at least I've been waiting for it. Some people think we're going into super cycle. I disagree. That's the video. That's the whole update, guys. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. DCI HODL. I think that those wicks will get candlesticked from XRP, from CRO. Bitcoin has more downside. That's my opinion. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not here to give financial advice. You want to join a private Discord conversation with me and Blacksea, talk directly to us about the news that's happening in the crypto market, about the trades. We have trade signals as well. You want to look at all that? Sign up for our private Discord. When you sign up for Blowfin using the link in the description down below, you get access to the private Discord for free. None of it's financial advice. Do your own research, please. I love crypto. We'll keep the crypto content coming. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Until next time, y'all. Peace.